4. Horrible, 1. Hopeful. Reacting to an asteroid heading toward Earth is nearly impossible, with only about 1 second to respond. Nuclear waste disposal involves packing it with kitty litter, and using the wrong type can lead to environmental problems, raising concerns about the safety of this method. Pineapple, the only food containing bromelain, a protein-digesting enzyme, eats you back when consumed. Astronomers discover galaxies pulled toward a single point, termed dark flow, originating from beyond our visible universe. There was a cat named Mr. Stubbs, who was an honorary mayor of a town in Alaska for 17 years. Subscribe for more daily facts.